kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. We will do a game today called Empty Your Cup. It's a game of subtraction. Now, when we subtract things, we have a certain group of things, and then what we do is we take things away from it and take things away from it. When we take things away, the group becomes smaller. It reduces in sizes, which means it becomes less. So the game Empty Your Cup is a game of subtraction. Now, this is how we're going to play it. We take two cups, the very same size, exactly alike, and then we take some items and we put them inside. Now, I have 18 items in each one of my cups, so we have the same. And this is a game that you can play with your parents, you can play it with your siblings, you can play it with your teacher, your friends, because it's really a fun game. Now, you also see that we have two die. They're right here. I think I like the blue one, and you can have the pink one. Is that okay? So what we do is we actually throw our die. Now, this is yours. I'm going to throw it for you, though. Is that okay? Throw our die. Oh, look. We're both going to take one away. So what we have to do, this is your cup. This is my cup. We take an item away from each cup. We're going to keep doing that. We're going to keep throwing our die and taking things away until the cup is empty. Whoever gets their cup emptied first, you win the game because you're taking things away. You're subtracting them from the cup. Now, because we subtracted one item from each cup, how many are left? We started with 18. Did you say 17? That's right. Now we only have 17 items in each cup. You want me to count them and so we can be sure? Now we have the same amount on each cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 18 minus 1 equals 17. Now I can do this with any items that I have. If you want to use markers or pens, if you want to use crayons, what about other toys? You can use those. Oh, what about cars? You can even use it with string. Just find some things around the house. Just make sure they're the same thing and you have the same number. You don't have to start with 18. If you want to start with 10, start with 10. If you want to start with 5, start with 5. So you can start with whatever number that you want, okay? But both of you have to roll the die, right? And this time, okay, listen. Your cup, we're taking 6 out. My cup, we're taking 4 out. So you just keep doing this until all of the items are out, okay? 4, 5. I got to take 6 out of here. And I've got to take 4 out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of there, right? So we're going to keep doing that until we have no more in the cup, and we're going to see who wins, okay? Now, while you're doing this game, I want you to do something. Take pictures, take videos, and send them to WKNO teacher@gmail.com, and that comes directly to me. So I can see all the fun that you're having. But I also want you to go to our resource page, pbslearningmedia.org, and you'll find out so much more about subtraction, about die, numbers, anything that you want, different kind of games and videos. You can do all of that at our resource page, okay? So thank you so much, boys and girls, for being here with me today. And until next time, Teacher says bye-bye.